Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how you can profit from Facebook pages. Let's get started. Facebook is a social media platform where people can connect with their family, friends, and colleagues. But you can also use your Facebook page to make a profit out of it. There can be different ways that you can start making a profit using your Facebook page. If you're a content creator, you can make a profit using in-stream ads. From the time Facebook implemented in-stream ads, they have invited content creators to monetize their Facebook pages. In-stream ads are useful for people who are creating video content and post them on Facebook. As a content creator who also posts content on YouTube, you can use Facebook to share that content on the platform using your Facebook page. Facebook made this possible since they want to compete with YouTube for becoming the platform of choice for watching videos online. In-stream ads allow advertisers to place ads in your video content. In-stream ads can work differently. There are in-stream ads that run ads on your video content before the video starts. These are called pre-rolled ads. With mid-rolled ads, you may notice ads showing during the time that the video is playing. And there are also image ads that are shown underneath your videos. Not all Facebook pages can be eligible for in-stream ads. You need to meet certain requirements first before you can use in-stream ads to make a profit out of your Facebook page. First, you must have a Facebook page with at least 10,000 followers, and in the last 60 days, you must have at least 30,000 one-minute views on your videos. You'll get paid as the viewers finish playing the in-stream ad. Take note that all video content should be your original content, and you cannot use another existing video for making a profit via the in-stream ads. Facebook won't allow it. Next, partner with brands. You can collaborate with brands on Facebook. When you collaborate with brands, you will get paid for sharing a product with your followers. Brands become your business partners. The brand will pay the owner of the Facebook page who will show the brand's products to their followers. This greatly benefits influencers. The reason why the brand partners with their business is because you have already tons of followers on your page. Also, your followers are your business partners' potential target audience or customers. They need to collaborate with you to widen their audience reach using your page. The only requirement that you'll need is to have tons of followers and also engagement in your Facebook page. Take note that only Facebook business pages are eligible for branded content, and personal profiles cannot be used for paid promotions. Next, add paid subscriptions. Fan subscriptions allow your avid followers to fund your Facebook page by subscribing to it every month and pay for the fee. The fee that your fans are going to pay you will depend on how much you would set it. This is best applied to Facebook pages with at least 10,000 followers, and these users are actively engaging on your Facebook posts. Take note that access to fan subscriptions are by invitation only. Next, sell products. If you have built your followers on your Facebook page, you can promote products on your Facebook page using the products from your business website or products from affiliate links. Take note that when you share affiliate links, these must be the products that are relevant to your target audiences and your followers on your Facebook page. This way, you won't be seen as a brand who just spams your followers with random affiliate links. Having a Facebook page is essential for business owners who want to attract more people interested in your brand's niche. Brands with Facebook pages increase their brand awareness as people discover their Facebook page, like them, and people would share the post from that Facebook page, increasing their audience reach. Now that you know how you can profit from Facebook pages, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to use this course. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.